Hi guys, in another video by MTechPro, new pictures show off Samsung's next cheaper flagship phone. The first Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition images have leaked, showing us how Samsung's changed the design of its cheapest flagship phone. Thanks to Jimmy is Promo's recent tweet, we have some real-life pictures of the new phone, as well as some specs information. And between this and his replies to follow-up questions, there's a lot to go through. The Galaxy S20 launched back in February, but the Fan Edition is expected to arrive soon with both improvements to the hardware, as well as some downgrades to reduce costs. This new phone feels like a successor to the Galaxy S10 Lite, which launched in January as a cheaper version of the Galaxy S10, even though the naming convention is different. Design-wise, the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition looks a lot like the original 3 Galaxy S20 phones. What's different is the materials, as the S20 Fan Edition will have a plastic back like the basic Galaxy Note 20. That makes it cheaper to build, but will likely make it feel a lot less pleasant to hold than the standard glass back flagship. The S20 Fan Edition's flat display is quite different from anything in the original S20 lineup. It measures 6.5 inches across, which puts it between the S20's 6.2 inches and the S20 Plus's 6.7 inches. Another change is the resolution downgrade to FHD rather than QHD. This is likely a cost-saving move, but one that could also help increase the battery life, which was one of the S20's weak points. You'll still get a 120Hz refresh rate with the S20 Fan Edition, though, and that's an excellent premium feature to keep intact. The original tweet only describes the price as nice, but in reply, Jimmy is Promo specifies a figure of $699 to $749, depending on your preferred storage capacity. At this price, roughly $300 below the S20's cost, Samsung looks to be squarely aiming at the space occupied by Apple's basic iPhone 11, and the cheapest iPhone 12 when that launches next month. Also within the comments to the original tweet, you'll find a reference to the phone's chipset, the Snapdragon 865. That's the same as the rest of the Galaxy S20 series in the US, as elsewhere the S20 used an Exynos 990 chip designed by Samsung itself. Qualcomm has since released the Snapdragon 865 Plus, which offers more performance, but the S20 Fan Edition should still have more than enough power for most users, plus the crucial 5G compatibility that will become more and more important in the coming years. There is a telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom among the rear cameras. An older leak says the telephoto camera will use an 8-megapixel sensor instead of the 64-megapixel one on the normal S20 and S20 Plus, while the other cameras on the back of the phone are two 12-megapixel sensors for main and ultra-wide photos. On the front, there's a 32-megapixel selfie camera. Samsung is holding a virtual launch event on September 23rd, which is when we expect this phone to officially appear. That's before both of its potential big rivals, the iPhone 12 and the OnePlus 8T, appear in October. Thanks for watching, see you in another video, don't forget like and subscribe, share if you liked.